Hey cuties! Today I'm going to draw a logo of a famous movie. Can you guess which movie logo I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw the logo of a Barbie movie. So let's get started. And tell me in the comments if you guessed it right. Okay, let us draw with the head of Barbie. So we're gonna start from here to this side. So we're gonna connect the both sides. Like that. And we're going to make, I don't know, the bangs of Barbie? Something like that in the logo. Yes. It's so easy to make. Okay, now let us come down like that. And we're going to make the eyelashes of Barbie. Yes, like that. Cute. Now let us make the nose. So, tilt shape down. It's kind of a tilty shape. Okay. Now let's make the mouth of Barbie. So 2 lines like that and come down. Now we're starting off to make the neck of Barbie. So we're gonna keep going, shape down. We're gonna stop and come right over here in a tilty shape. Yes. Okay, now let us start from here to make, the ponytail of Barbie. So this is not going to be straight, because we're gonna miss the ponytail if we just go straight down. So we're gonna make something like that. The shape's going to be something like that. It looks like a S, but not in that shape. And this is like a style of a pony shape. Okay, now let us make let's complete Barbie's head basically. So we're gonna come down like that. Oh my goodness, there's so many shapes in this. So you have to be careful of the shapes. Okay, now let us come down and connect the neck. And I'm just giving my Barbie some shape. Okay, our Barbie's completed. What do you think of my drawing? Do you tell me in the comment section below? And also tell me, have you watched the full movie of Barbie? And also, there's another Barbie movie coming up soon, so do watch it. And let me know what else you want me to make. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye guys.